In this video today, guys, I'm going to be running through a very easy method on how to get free skin cases in Rivals. This uses a Roblox Rivals code that you can use right now in 2026, and it is going to get you tons of free level 3 skin cases, guys. So this is going to save you a bunch of money. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and get this Rivals code for free skin cases, make sure you drop a like on this video and go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I do plan on making more Rivals tutorials. Now, this method literally takes a few minutes, guys, so sit back, relax, follow all of the instructions and steps that I'm going to show you, and let's get you those skin cases for free in Roblox Rivals. So as you can see, you need to use your mobile phone just to get your Rivals code, and then you can redeem it on your PC or just in game wherever you choose to play. So head on over to this website on your mobile, www.coldcoupons.com. So you can do this on iPhone, Android, whatever, guys. Just use a mobile device with an internet connection. And Cold Coupons is a awesome codes website. I've actually been using these previously for other Roblox games, and I've started to play Rivals, so I thought, hey, why don't I check out this website again and see if there's any Rivals codes, and there is. So use the search bar and search for Rivals Roblox codes. As you can see, there are a few verified working codes, and thousands of people have used these and rated them almost 5 stars. So go ahead and scroll down until you find this one, guys, 20 times skin case 3s. So this is literally a Rivals code that's going to get you 20 level 3 skin cases. And this literally takes a few minutes, saving you a bunch of money because they're not cheap if you was to purchase them with keys. And guys, yeah, this is the best method. I've tried tons of things. Trust me when I say I spent hours searching and trying codes and methods. So guys, because these are limited, there's 400 of them, so there's not an immediate hurry. They're not going to run out anytime soon. But it does limit only 1 code per person, guys. So you can't do this 10 times to get 200 cases. You can only do this once to get 20 free skin cases in Rivals. So to get your code, you need to click on Get Full Code and just follow the instructions on this page here, guys. It is super easy. Anyone can do this, no matter what IQ you have. Basically, you just need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below, and that is going to unlock your Rivals code from Cold Coupons. Now, it is very important that you do follow the instructions. It's super quick, and it basically verifies you as a real person. So as you can see on this page, there is a list of tasks. These are mostly things like mobile applications. They're all completely free, and they take a few minutes. But basically, like this one here, download and install this app and create a free account. So if you was to choose one like that, you would tap on it and it will take you to the App Store. If you're on Apple, if you're on Google, it will take you to the Google Play Store. Basically, you just download that app and create an account, and that one will be done. So you may see slightly different ones. You may see mobile games, which are quite fun to do. You just play the game until certain levels. Just follow the instructions, and that is easy peasy. Once you complete 2 of them, it will redirect you, and your Rivals Roblox code for your free skin cases will be revealed in this box. And that is it, guys. You literally enter it in-game in the redeem code part. And that is how to get free skin cases in Rivals in 2026. Go to Cold Coupons. If you need any help, guys, let me know, but it is pretty easy. Just make sure you do follow all of the instructions in this video. So yeah, drop a like on this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.